Well, I want to take you back for some reason because as much as people hate Black & Decker for a tool, there was a time and place when they were better than everything. And this is one of them. I think it's from the 1980s, but all the features, like quick disconnect on a mag drill that flips over just like that to the other side. Wonderful. You can't see that on something new like that Jancy over there. But even the ambidextrous trigger, like a motorcycle, and then flip it on, off, quick for drilling holes. Right now, I mean, I'm 40 holes in, but switching over to twist drill because it kind of made a tried doing with the hand drill, but even this, another one, professional grade. This will break your wrist if you're not careful. Trying to put a 15/16 in, and I said, well, ain't worth the trip to the hospital today. So, switching over to this old girl. It's a little bigger. Forward, reverse up here. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but you don't usually get forward and reverse, and I actually have to use that every now and again. You got a pipe there if you want to hand drill with it. But for size, pretty large for a mag drill. Not the biggest, but still big enough. So that was a 1-inch hole and 3/4 inch plate, just that fast. Not bad. Still plenty of power to go, but if I had to chuck a little tighter on it, can't always win. That or Black & Decker's fine and dandy some days, but others, you gotta bring out the Big Daddy. It's got the nice long handle for when you're reefing on her, handle for the other guy. That whole piece will pick right off there if you want to use it like a hand drill. Forward, reverse, rated for I think a 2-inch or even bigger. I've never stalled this one. And I've even put drill bit through, missing a whole flute, and she didn't stop. And I love this thing. But you gotta be a pretty big son of a bitch in order to pick this one up. But she is a peach. 1969 it says. High-low range, all metal gears. Find one, pick yourself up one. Wonderful. It does a Hogan as well, but it's got Morse #2 taper, so a little trickier to change this one, but still damn good unit. I have used it for a hand drill before in those tight spots. Lifesaver, but just about killed me. Magnet base, same as the other one. The whole thing swivel around. Power feed. Old 9 yards. Yep. Black & Decker used to be this good. Now, I don't know what happened, but I'd go from one of the best to probably one of the worst. Probably worse than Ryobi. So.